What's up mga kabangs? Kumusta tayo dyan? Subscribe. God bless.
Hi, Kabang Station! Kumusta kayo dyan?
Hi.
Wah! Oh!
Kabangs.
Ayan! Hi, hello mga Kabang!
Hi mga kabangs.
Hi sa mga Kabang Station!
Registration, meron kaming 200. And so, papa-encash sila ng kanilang pera. Ayan, so saan kaya sila unang pupunta? Wait. Sa sobrang dami ng bata ito. Ito, mahal-mahal pala. Kasi nag-ianak ka lang. Doktor-doktoran sila. Ako sila sa doktor, pero this time sila ang doktor. Thank you. Ayan, so dito mag-i-police sila. Mag-i-police sila in minute. Kasi madalian na. Mga pulis sila ngayon, mga pulis pang Kalawakan. Telepon, tawagin si mama. Tawagin si mama, tawagin. Tawagin si mama. Hello? Kita mga bata, oh.
Okay? Ano yun? Kailangan mag-smile palagi. Kasi, if you want to be successful, dapat mag-smile ka toward your student. Dapat mag-smile ka yung malungkot ka. Kita yung mga ano nyo, yung mga smile nyo. Para nga, bakit nyo mga masili nyo? Smile! How about share of your teeth? Wow! Ang galing-galing naman. Kahit walang teeth, nag-smile.
So this time, meron naman sila.
Very good!
Yun na. This time gagawa sila ng cookies here of Alaska. Gagawa sila ng ice candy here of
grand baller, your time kids has ended. If you are moving kids, time it is now the clock. All kids learn.
Ladies and gentlemen, pleasant morning to everyone. This is your Captain Adam speaking. We welcome you on board on the Cebu Flight 6.
Very good. 2, 3, go! Oy, ang galing nyo naman sa Korea. Yay! Okay. Gusto mo ba? Come on! Together, 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 everyone clap your hands! Yeah! Come on! 3, go! 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go! Every time, on together. Come on, let's do this. Hey. Here and now, it's time for celebration. Come on, finally figure out a lot of things together. Reach, we can know inside, we can. Yes, out there.
Meanwhile, we still have 15 minutes left to enjoy your stay in Kingston. We qualify with definitely. All kids for Meanwhile, we still have 15 minutes left to enjoy your stay in Kingston. We hope you have a wonderful experience in pretty professionals, real and life-like environment for children.
Together,
mag-20s naman sila in a moment. Picture na naman sila. Tuesday, Wednesday. Afternoon, teacher.
Anong tawag natin sa nagbibig ng pizza? Chef! Anong tawag dito sa ating sinuwan natin dito? That's apron! Apron! Okay! Direct vlog natin. Kasi niyo kung saan nyo ilagay yung hotdog.
Tapos na. Ang dami naming laruan na nakuha. Ayan, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!
Kapagkaon.
Punta kami ng mall.